In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopee with ease and make the most of your online shopping experience. If you're someone who loves shopping online for the best deals or the convenience it offers, then learning how to efficiently use platforms like Shopee is a game changer. So let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start by heading over to Shopee's website. It's simple. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Shopee. This will take you to the vibrant homepage, bursting with an array of products and promotions. Don't feel overwhelmed by the variety. That's the fun part of shopping online. Now, once you're on the site, it's time to explore. Start browsing through different categories or use the search bar to look for a specific item that you have in mind. Shopee's interface is user-friendly, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. When you come across a product that piques your interest, go ahead and give it a click. This will not only give you more detailed information about the product, but you'll also be able to see customer reviews and ratings, which can be really helpful in making a decision. After selecting a product, don't forget to scroll down a bit further and click on View Shop. This nifty feature allows you to explore more products from the same seller. It's a particularly useful step if you're a fan of a particular brand or if you're trying to minimize shipping costs. By shopping more from a single store, you'll typically only be charged one shipping fee, which is a great way to save a little extra money. Once you've added items to your cart, you can proceed to the checkout. Shopee simplifies this by keeping everything in one place, allowing you to review your purchases before finalizing the transaction. Double check that you are satisfied with the items and quantities in your cart. Also, make sure that your shipping information is up to date to avoid any delivery mishaps. Taking the extra few minutes to confirm these details ensures a smooth shopping experience. And that's pretty much it. A simple yet effective way to navigate Shopee and enhance your shopping experience. Shopee not only allows for convenient browsing and buying, but also provides an excellent opportunity to save on shipping costs when you shop smartly. By closely following the steps we've discussed today, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy online shopper in no time. Thanks for joining me in this guide. Happy shopping, and I hope you find exactly what you're looking for.